Welcome to our channel. Today we start with a classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The Burning Desire. According to Hill, the first step to becoming rich is to have a burning desire for wealth. This desire must be so intense that it drives you to take action and overcome any obstacles on your path to success. Hill presents us with 13 principles to achieve wealth. Number 1. Faith. Believing in oneself and one's abilities to achieve success and wealth. Number 2. Autosuggestion. Programming the mind with positive thoughts and affirmations to strengthen confidence and motivation. Number 3. Specialized knowledge. Becoming an expert in a specific field to stand out and gain a competitive edge. Number 4. Imagination. Using creativity to visualize goals and create a detailed plan to achieve them. Number 5. Organized planning. Setting clear goals and creating a strategic plan to stay focused and move toward success. Number 6. Decision. Making firm decisions and fully committing to objectives to achieve significant results. Number 7. Persistence. Overcoming obstacles and challenges, persevering on the path to success. Number 8. Power of the mastermind. Forming strategic alliances and collaborating with successful individuals to enhance creativity and achieve bigger goals. Number 9. Sexual transmutation. Channeling sexual energy into creativity and productivity to drive success. Number 10. Subconscious mind. Programming the subconscious mind with positive thoughts and affirmations to attract success. Number 11. Brain. Utilizing the power of the brain to develop innovative ideas and creative solutions. Number 12. The sixth sense. Developing intuition and trusting inner wisdom to make sound decisions and seize opportunities. Number 13. The mystery of sexual transmutation. Harnessing sexual energy to boost creativity and productivity in the pursuit of success. Cultivating a positive and focused mindset is essential to make the most of these principles. By maintaining an optimistic attitude centered on your goals, you can overcome obstacles and stay motivated even in the most challenging times. Remember that your thoughts and beliefs have a direct impact on your actions and results. Believing in your abilities and your potential is fundamental to achieving success. Recognize your unique talents and skills and trust that you have everything you need to reach your goals. Boost your confidence through positive affirmations and visualizations of success, and you'll see how your self-esteem and determination strengthen. Perseverance is the key to overcoming challenges on the path to your goals. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or temporary failures. Focus on learning from each experience and use obstacles as opportunities to grow and improve. Remember that every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. By applying these principles in your daily life, you will begin to see significant changes. Set clear goals and create an action plan to achieve them. Maintain discipline and consistency in your actions, and you'll see how your efforts translate into tangible results. Remember that success is not just a final destination, but a continuous journey of growth and development. By applying these principles in your life, you'll not only reach your goals, but also live a fulfilling and satisfying life. Don't wait any longer. Start applying these principles today and unleash your full potential. If you enjoyed this express summary, don't miss our next video this Wednesday, where we'll delve deeper into Napoleon Hill's principles and provide practical tools to apply them in your life. Join our community of success seekers and subscribe to our channel right now. By doing so, you'll be opening the doors to gratitude, blessings, and abundance in your life. Give this video a like, and you'll be sowing the seed of prosperity and personal growth. Together, we can create a community of individuals committed to their development and eager to achieve their boldest goals. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of this incredible journey toward success and personal fulfillment.